Okay, everyone, welcome to Steve-O's Reviews and How-Tos. I am going to blow your mind today. So I live out in the country, and this is my last year's bug hat. And basically, there comes a time in the year where there's horseflies everywhere, and they are just vicious. It's a fight to the death until you're able to kill them. And they really make your walks not very much fun, so I found a hack that is absolutely awesome. Please like and subscribe when this saves you from getting bit and pestered by horseflies. Ironically, there's a bug stuck to it now. This is the magic formula right here. This is what we're using. And basically, we're going to make kind of like a walking fly strip hat. So you take wax paper, put the shiny side out, and get a stapler. And then what I do is I kind of crudely attach it to this hat. With a stapler, and then I just trim it rather than try to shape it all nice and perfect. I'm not an origami expert. I'll show you once I get it going here. So I stapled it right on the other side of the brim to start. Now I'm going to work my way around. Now we'll trim her a little bit. Looks like it's shaping up well. So for here, I like to just do a piece of tape to hold that together. Alright, found some tape. Now here comes the important part. Without this part, you're just wearing a hat covered in wax paper. But with this stuff, I'll put a link into where to get it. You paint it up. I'm actually getting harassed by a fly right now, and I can't wait to put it on. Alright, my friends, we're pretty covered in goo here. So we're going to put this on our head. And we're going to go for a walk. We'll bring the drink. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some customers. I love these things because they just ruin your walk. And literally, let's see how many I caught, how fast. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I took a short little 5-minute walk, and there you have it. And these guys would have eaten me alive and ruined the walk. Now they're all stuck.